everyone, let's try to create this presentation slide and see how it's look like. If you like this kind of content, you can find many of these tutorials in my channel, and please like and subscribe. Now let's go to our tutorial and see how we can create this. Okay, we need to create the fourth slide first here. How we are going to create this? It's pretty easy. We create a new slide and go to this shape and create one, and we align it middle, center. Everything is okay. Now just simply insert 4 of these shapes. See, you must exactly look how much space are you going to give these shapes. Okay, after doing that, we click on here and bring it to front and format the background to the black. Now we just simply change its colors to, for example, these colors. We have the colors we like. Okay, after changing the color, we just simply paste the text on them and paste the text here, and it's done. Now let's go and see to one of them that I make it ready. Format background to apply to all. You see, it's that thing, and just added the text. And for the text format, don't forget, we need to add the text as a text box, not typing in the shape. Add them as a text box. How? We go to insert and create a text box here, and then write everything in it. Okay, we create this thing, but we need to create the transition. How are we going to treat the transition? We copy this slide, and then we just simply, what we are going to do, we are going to drop this thing back here. But how? We are going to press shift and reduce it in size. You see? And then copy this one more time, press shift and reduce it in size, and copy this one more time, press shift and reduce it. Copy this thing more time, press shift and copy it. You see now why I chose the black color for the background and for the text. The texts are here, but they are hide. You see? It's nice. Now we select all of the sliders and set the transition to morph. What, when we are going to run them, we have a problem. What, they are not in the order that we want. We want to make them in the same order. You see here, we want to order them 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when we set the transition, you can see how beautiful it looks like. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find many of them in the channel, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. And always look that when we are going back, the transition always looking great. Have a nice time.